Hi, I am Krishna Raju. I am working as an open source developer for past 4 months in 10th Planet Technologies organized by ChipKits. Now I am going to explain item editor examples in Adobe Flex. Item editor example number formatter are the examples of the item editor examples. The Flex formatter classes to format data written from an item editor. In the following example, you let the user edit the price column of a data grid control. You then define an event listener for the item edit end event that uses the number formatter class to format the new cell value so that it contains only 2 digits after the decimal point. So now we can see the examples of the number formatter. Now I am going to explain a number formatter in data grid. So now I am creating a data grid, ID as a my grid, and data provider as a init dg, editable as a true, item edit end as a format data event, and also creating a columns as a data field artist, album, and price. Now I am getting this as an int dg as an array collection. I am created artist as an payment, album as a Raju, and price as a 48.99. It will be declared only in a number formatter in 48.99. And also I am created another examples, another column as an artist, payment, album Krishna, and price as 11.99. Now the private variable my formatter is number formatter I am created as, and format data is event data grid event, calling an event function. When event is called by a price will be event data field price my formatter dot precision to text input my grid event will be updated, and a new greater event will be handled, and enter a valid string will be displayed in that. We can never cancel or never delete on that price column of any values and all. It will be previously checked values will be displayed on it. We can never delete a price values or cancel any values from it. Now I am going to running this program item 3. In this program we can know how the decimal points are allocated and all. See, now I created a data grid. In that 2 columns I created, in that artist, album, and prices and all I have created. All are editable property. Now in that price property I am now checking as a not giving any decimal points and all. It will be reallocated as a 123.00, or we can delete any events, any values and all. It will be previously entered value, it will be checking will be handled. And I am deleting another examples like 25 point and giving us a 25,000. How much value will be? It will be allocated as a number formatter. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to explain an item editor example in number formatter. Thank you.